Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to add a video post to your bookmarks on X, the platform many still know as Twitter, using the new update for the PC app. Whether you want to save a funny clip, an inspiring video, or a post you want to come back to later, this updated process makes it simpler than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account so everything you save stays connected to your personal profile. Once the app is open, take a moment to check that you have the latest version installed. The interface has changed a little, so this step-by-step will help you navigate the new layout without any confusion. Next, scroll through your timeline or search for the video post you want to bookmark. You can type keywords into the search bar, look through your home feed, or open a specific account profile, whatever helps you find the video fastest. Once you've got the video post right in front of you, hover your cursor just below the post. You'll see a row of icons appear. Now, here's the new part of the update. Instead of being hidden in a menu, the bookmark icon is visible directly alongside the like and share buttons. It looks like a small ribbon symbol. All you need to do is click on that icon. Once you click it, the icon will fill in to confirm that the post has been added to your bookmarks. That's it, your video is now saved. You can view all your saved posts anytime by opening the main menu on the left sidebar, then selecting Bookmarks. Every video, tweet, or post you've saved will appear neatly organized there. With this quick method, you can collect videos effortlessly, ready to watch or share whenever you want. Give it a try now, and make sure your favorite clips are just one click away.